Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today I'm gonna be unboxing this jacket. It's made by the company Blend. It's called BHSERGIUS. It's a parka in the color black. Alright, let's get started. First of all, what I saw was that unpacking it, there was a lot of white hair on the jacket. So I hope that it doesn't attract too much of electrostatic dust, so not too many hair just attaching to it automatically. Anyway, so this is the company. It's called Blend, and on the other side we can see it's called BHSERGIUS in the color black, size M. We're first of all gonna undo it like this so we can have a simple look like that. And yeah, we have this kind of leathery sticker here, and then two pockets, one pocket over here, one on this side, another pocket up here and on the other side too, to put in the hands, just to have it comfortable on both sides too. This pocket over here is not too big, but it's much bigger than the one up here. You can store your gums or whatever you want to store in there. Then the sleeve, we have a button right here, on the other side too. So yeah, let's see from the top up here. We can already see the interior is kind of this furry sheep style thing, and we have this strap that you can pull it tighter in case that airflow is reduced as much as possible. We have a double button up here for the hood, and also the zipper, which we're going to undo now. We have two buttons, 3, 4 and 5. You can see the zipper stops here, but the jacket continues a little bit more. I'm curious what this will be like for the airflow. And what I can also see is that on the very bottom, on the back side, we have this strap to make it tighter to reduce airflow. So even though we have this here, we can actually, I'm curious about that, where does it stop? It just stops here. The rope just stops like right here, which means the top, like the front part, we cannot make tighter, which is kind of something negative, I guess. But let's open up the zipper. Here we go. It's a leather zipper. Goes up until here. Let's undo it on both sides. Let's open it up like this. We can see the top part is this sheep, yeah, kind of like a sheep fur, and then it switches to this well, I would say normal jacket interior, which is, it's smooth, it's soft, has a good feeling to it. I would say it's like above average quality. And then the sheep fur is, I would say, average quality too, but this part of course will be much warmer than, for example, the part down here, which is good, so it keeps your shoulders and your back warm, which is great. Then we have, I can see in here we have another strap, and also on the other side, I guess to make yeah, it is exactly to make this part here tighter too, so to reduce the airflow, so you can be more warm up here, like more warm than down here, for example. And then we have one more jacket, one more pocket to put your stuff in here. This one here, while your washing information has size for a little bit. For my hand fits in here. It's great for a few more things. Yeah, well, that was it for this jacket. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, consider subscribing. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Hope you have a great day, and bye bye.